Hello, this is Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17MKE. Brand new floor plan, single slide out, very lightweight, has a dry weight of 4620. Power tongue jack on the front. Nice convenient area here with the battery disconnect, outside shower, your cable hookups, magnetic clips for the doors. Again, single slide out. Your sewer connection with your black tank flush is nice and well lit. You have a rear bumper, rear ladder with the backup camera prep. It's a 30 amp service. Exterior spray port. A full length power awning with outside speakers. Aluminum rims. Aluminum steps. Pass-through storage with motion detected lighting on both sides. All four corner stabilizer jacks. Again, magnetic clips. The 17MKE is a true couples coach. It's got two sleeping. We ordered this with the theater seating, this removable table. These recline, have heat massage. Lots of countertop space and good kitchen storage. TV directly in front of the sofa. Microwave. You have a flush cover for the 3-burner range and the sink. It's a large stainless steel sink. Does have an oven. Refrigerator and freezer. A solid door for the bathroom. Huge shower area. Good storage. Linoleum throughout, so very easy to keep clean. Again, the one sleeping area, the queen bed with the drawers underneath. There is a divider with cup holders that comes down for the theater seating. This brand new 2019 Grand Design Imagine XLS, model number 17MKE, located at our Yorktown store in Virginia. Please give me, Scott Hudgins, a call today. Come see it in person. 757-833-3633. Thank you. Have a nice day.